Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB41 Wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your device, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues if it's not working. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it, and that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get this speaker back to the way it was when it came out of the box so that you can set it up new and pair it new with a new device, we can go ahead and do this really simply. All we need to do is first of all, make sure our speaker's on, because it won't work if the speaker is not on. And then all we're going to do is we're going to come in and press and hold the volume down button, and then immediately come in behind that and press and hold the the power pairing button. And we're just going to press and hold both of those buttons for at least 5 seconds and until the speaker powers off, at which point the reset is complete and we can release both buttons. And then just come in and turn the speaker back on and set it up as a brand new speaker.